Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, June the 4th, 2022. Tomorrow it's with Sunday and the day after with Monday. No newspapers on those days. So tomorrow I will solve the rest of the puzzles in this additional, but we have one puzzle to go. I've already solved the 3 stars Sudoku and the binary. It's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, 4 stars and number 4653. Alright, before I start, let me count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 13 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, 10 printed digits. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. If it's really a 4 stars. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here 1 single box. Always a 1. Do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? Yeah. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 dual box, triple box then. Oh, no. Here we have also a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order. Alright. Let me scan. No. Triple box. I see only 1 triple box in this puzzle. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. And when you see a triple box, remember the box near the middle box. This is the middle box of the triple box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Okay, 4 or a 5. Triple box, quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes? I see here quadra box. I cannot fill any numbers in those boxes, so we need to wait for more information. Alright. Alright. Quadra box. More quadra boxes here. Another one. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the 1 can be everywhere. Alright, quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have a T shape here. Upside down, let me draw the T shape here. This is the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Only one T shape we have here in this puzzle. Then the following shape or figure, structure, construction that you need to recognize is this one. Let me do this one. Alright, okay. Let me draw this. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. This box is connected with that box, 1 or a 2. Okay, 1 or a 2. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, mirrored or flipped. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box is the same name as that box. Here another one upside down. This box has the same name as that box. More. No, only two of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Right, when you see this kind of shape, this box has the same name as that box. Alright, so this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 4 out of 6. Maximum are 6 shapes that you need to recognize. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And why you need to recognize, that's the question. Why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Let me see. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. I cannot place the 1 here. If I place those 2 boxes are marked with the 1 and the 2, I cannot place the 1 here, because if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright, 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 4, but we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. It should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 and 4, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, okay. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, okay. Let me see. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Oh, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So this 2 is not anymore possible. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box can be a 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 here, double 3 there, and we have a 2 there. So I think this box in this corner box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Yeah. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. 1, 2. 2 and 3, 1. This box can be 1, can be 2, or a 3. We have a double 2 and a double 3 there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and the 5. Alright. I'm thinking. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. We have 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. Okay, so missing the 3 here. Here also missing the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the pair 4 and the 5. But I cannot place the 5 here because we have a double 5 there. Double 5, double 2. So here can be a 5. So it should be a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 to 5, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can it be 5? So 1 box left for the 5, should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Yes, now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Okay, 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Let me think. 1 and 3. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. 1 or the 5. Well, this box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. This box can also not be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. Cannot be a 3. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and 5. And that box is also connected with this box. It's also 1 and 5. But we already have a 1 here, so it cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 5. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 5. Connected with this box, should be also a 5. Alright. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I think no, don't think too. Blah, blah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area, quadrant box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left, the number 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. I think. Ooh. Yeah. Let me see. I think this. No. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. Then 3, 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 3. Well, okay. Come on. One. I'm thinking. 4. These two boxes are left for the numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Okay. 1 and a 3. That means that this box can be a 1 or a 3. And also it can be a 4. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. This box is connected with that box. So we have 2 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here. Or inside this area 5. So it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. This box can be 5. This box can be 3. So the 5 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 1 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 1. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well. Not a 4 stars. Not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. Did you hear the bell? Few seconds. Anyway, if you subscribe on my channel, you can also find a lot of playlists. Playlists for the binaries, playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again tomorrow. On Sunday. Tomorrow it's with Sunday. Yes, no newspaper. I will solve these 3 puzzles left, and maybe I will do a samurai Sudoku. I do not know. It depends. Maybe on Monday. Monday it's with Monday. So also no newspaper. I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye for now.